This is the Mark V version of the AR4 robot. This is an open source project. The software, print files, and the build manual are all free to download. The Mark V update isn't a huge update. It just upgrades some of the calibration limit switches to Hall effect sensors, and that changed a few mounting points on the aluminum parts. But this update should be the last update for the ARM itself for the foreseeable future. This is the last of the updates I had on my list to complete for the robot ARM itself. I'll of course always be doing updates on the software and coming up with new stuff like that, but for the ARM itself, I don't have any more changes planned right now. The previous update for the Mark IV was one of the more significant updates and added the larger base enclosure and updated the layout of the electrical components inside the enclosure. But this update continues where the last one left off, and it adds Hall effect sensors for joints 1, 2, and 3. And then joints 4, 5, and 6 still utilize the small micro switches. You can see here the Hall effect sensor being used in the auto calibration for joint 1. And then you can see here the Hall effect sensor for joint 2. And then here's the Hall effect sensor for joint 3. Joints 4, 5, and 6 utilize a KW12 micro switch. The micro switch mounting for the J5 carrier is updated, so you can see here the updated J5 carrier contacting the micro switch for the joint 5 calibration. And then this shows the robot performing a full auto calibration for all the joints. The default calibration procedure is done in 2 stages. Stage 1 calibrates joints 1 through 3, and then the second stage calibrates joints 4 through 6. And the reason for doing this in 2 stages is that in some cases, depending on your tool or gripper and how large that is, it's possible that the gripper can contact the lower part of the arm when joints 4 and 5 are rotating down. So when they're going to their negative limits for the calibration. So the calibration is configurable here on the settings tab, so you can set each stage however you need, or you could do all the joints in one stage if needed. I also wanted to point out here on the downloads tab that we've got a brand new build manual here for the Mark V, so you can download that here. We've got the control software source code right here, and then an exe version, so you can just load the executable. The firmware for the control board or the sketch file is right here. We've got a couple of ROS2 repositories, the auxiliary board sketch files, all the 3D print files for the latest models are all here to download. And then I also wanted to point out under documents, I've added the modified Denevit-Hartenberg parameters. So I've got 2 Excel spreadsheets with all the kinematics for the robot fully worked out. And if you go here to the tutorials tab, we've got a number of tutorials on the startup, programming, more advanced programming, vision guided picking, a number of tutorials here, ROS2. But here at the bottom, we've got a tutorial video on the robot kinematics. So this video goes through all of those calculations on that spreadsheet. So, if you've ever wondered how the robot math works, that's all here for you. And then the other thing I wanted to point out is we've added a tab for schools. So if you go to that tab there's a number of different pages here for different schools. And then I added a course curriculum sample here. So this is kind of based on, conversations I've had with a number of different professors at different schools on their curriculums and how they're using the AR4 in the classroom. So I kind of put this together based on the feedback I've gotten from a few different professors. So that's here if you need it. If you've previously built the AR4 robot and you wanted to upgrade your robot to utilize the MK5 Hall effect sensors, I have at the bottom of the downloads page under documents, I have a upgrade to MK5 Hall effect sensor manual. You can download that here, and this manual goes through and has a bill of materials, all the components you need, and then goes through the update instructions and goes through everything you need to do to update your robot to use the Hall effect sensors. That's all I've got for this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My email is info@annenrobotics.com, and thanks for watching.